Today I am creating this Halloween style Tinkerbell makeup for you guys. So if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. As Tinkerbell is a fairy, she has kind of a different ear shape than we do. So I have these space ear tips. They are by Gucci and I'm going to use these tips to create my elf ears today, and I'm just going to easily apply them to my ears using some Prosade. So I will just get a bit of Prosade on my ear, on the front and on the back. I'm trying not to get any in my hair, and once that Prosade is nice and transparent, I can get that ear on there. No, don't get stuck already. I want my ear to get in there. So they are all but perfect. They aren't really symmetrical either. This one has a little wrinkle, but as there will be a wig on my head at the end of the video and you will probably not see that much of these ears, I will just leave them as they are. I'm going to continue to the foundation, and as I have loads of skin with this makeup, I do not really want to go too far off my natural skin tone because that way I would have to paint all skin visible. So I'm going with the Matte HD foundation by Ben Nye, and the lightest color that is in there is this color. It is called Fairest, and I'm going to use it as my foundation. And as you can see, it is lighter than my own skin tone, but this prevents me from having to paint everything from my chest to my arms with a very different color. So this foundation has an amazing coverage and it's a cream based makeup, so you do need to set it once you have the entire base on your skin. Now the base is on there. I'm going to set it with the neutral set powder by Ben Nye, and I have a powder puff to put the powder on my face. So I'm really dabbing that powder onto the makeup. Now the foundation is all covered. I want to start with creating the eye makeup. So it is a Halloween version of Tinkerbell, and I don't want her to be completely evil, but I don't want her to be the sweet Tinkerbell either. So the eye makeup will be black and green. I'm going to start out with the lightest green color and just get really green eyes. So these eyeshadows are by Ben Nye I'm using today, and I will put the link to all of the colors in the description box down below. I know when I'm doing eye makeup I tend to forget to tell you what the colors are I'm using, but I will definitely put them in the description box. So I'm really making very large eyes today. I will probably move my natural brow as well. I will need a few dark eyeshadow colors to cover my eyebrow, as I didn't block them with any product. So I just have a very soft fluffy brush. This one is by Titanic FX. It is number 204 and I really love to use this brush. I love using the eyeshadows by Ben Nye as well, as they are very nice and pigmented. So as you can see, I'm really going under that eye as well, also because it is a Halloween makeup. I'm kind of leaving the eyelid open. They will be a different color at the end, so I'm not really concerned about my eyelid. I just really want the rest of the makeup to be very green. The next shade of green is called Mermaid Green, and it is darker than the first color I put on my eye. This color is called Jade and it is darker once again. So I'm just kind of layering all those colors on top of each other. A bit of black, because we definitely need a bit of black in this lovely fairy makeup. Going in there with a bit of yellow to lighten up the inner corner of the eye. So this is Sun Yellow. Now I'm going to use these same colors to shadow, contour and highlight my face as well, because I am a fairy. So basically I will put the green colors on my jawbone, on my cheekbone, or just under my cheekbone, and on my temple as well. So I have this very lovely fluffy brush, basically not to put too much on my skin at a time. But I do really want her to have loads of green in there. Around my hairline I will wear the Tinkerbell wig for this makeup. It's kind of a wide brush to use on my nose, but I will try anyway. Onto the mermaid green, which is slightly darker than that first color. I'm wondering if I ever created a makeup like this, a green one. And the darkest color of green. This is an olive green kind of color, which is in the Cool Glam palette. And I'm putting this bit on the skin using the 202 brush by Titanic Effects, and then using that big brush to just blend it out and leave just a tiny trace of that olive color on the skin. I think I also want that on my jawline. Somehow at this point I feel like I would need a bit of purple in this makeup. Maybe that is too much Beetlejuice. So this is kind of a test. If it fails, I am fucked. But this is royal purple. You actually don't really see that it's purple. Maybe we can bring it up a bit more. With some regular white face paint, water-based face paint by Diamond Effects, I'm gonna color my inner corners of my eyes white again. So I'm not gonna do the complete eye, just the inner corners, because I do want to keep that darkness on the outside. So just half my eyelid. Now they are nice and white, I can add a bit of color to them. And I do want this to be blended, so I will have to work on this a little bit. But I do want that yellow to show through my makeup. To create the eyeliner for Tinkerbell, I am using the black face paint by Diamond Effects and a detail brush by Titanic Effects. So I will just put a nice eyeliner on my upper eyelid. And I'm not going crazy with this eyeliner because there will be more on these eyes in a few seconds. So I'm just basically just putting a classic eyeliner on my eye. And while I'm at it, I will also put a bit of mascara on. So this is the Brazzers mascara by Meron. A lovely mascara to use. And if you want, you can go all crazy with fake lashes and stuff like that. I don't have them here, so I won't use them. But I can imagine you would want some fake lashes to go with your Tinkerbell makeup. So I'm just thinking that I forgot to pop in my contact lenses, and I already did loads of eye makeup. So this is not done, but let me quickly just get those lenses on my eyes. And these beauties are called green vampire lenses. They are by Ericona, and I absolutely love the color they have. I did tear a bit, so I put a bit extra yellow eyeshadow in the corners of my eye and a bit of black on the outside to cover the smudges from the tears. Now to intensify this eye makeup, I have the Ed Gem by Meron. This is to get rhinestones on your skin. You can work safely with that around your eyes. So I have black rhinestones, I have dark green and light green ones, so I will put the black ones on the outside and work to the lighter green on the inside of my eyes. This isn't my strong suit. I am very impatient, so I will probably just do a few of them on camera and then fix the rest off camera. But let's start with it on camera. The Ed Matte has a little applicator in the lid, so you just put a bit of it on your skin, get your rhinestone and put it on the Ed Gem. So that went kind of easy, but that was just the first one. So I will get the same one on the other side as well to keep working symmetrical. It is probably because I said that I don't really like adding rhinestones that I put 2 on them without any trouble. So I will get myself a tray to put the rhinestones on and just get them on my skin. And there are some pretty glamorous eyes. So I think it took me about 30 minutes to get all these rhinestones on there. But I think it was worth it. So now the lips I'm going to paint black with the same Essential Black by Diamond Effects. And once the black is on there, I'm going to go over it with the darkest green eyeshadow powder to give it a hint of green. So that is the black. Now I have the jade green on my brush. And by going over that black face paint, you get a greenish black lipstick. So finally I have these self-adhesive rhinestones. So I will put a few on my neck to make kind of a black necklace. I'm just following my collarbone to put them on there. Yes, so there is my Tinkerbell necklace. Now finally I'm looking at these shadows, and I think I should put a bit more around this area. I quickly zoomed out a bit to show you the costume I have with this Tinkerbell costume, so it's very shiny as well. But with that last bit of shadow, my Tinkerbell makeup for today is complete. So I had loads of fun creating this one. It was something different for me. Usually it's all special effects makeup, and well, just working with some rhinestones and eyeshadow was loads of fun. So I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow when we have a new Halloween makeup tutorial.